Murder case mistrial. A jury fails to reach a verdict in a case where a man, once dubbed public enemy number one, was charged with murdering a mother of 8 in West Baltimore.
That man's attorney says the jury saw flaws in the case.
And WJZ is live outside Mitchell Courthouse. Avajoy Burnett has more from the victim's family, who says they just want justice. Avajoy?
Well, Mary, police say the victim, a mother of 8, called them because her son was being bullied. As you mentioned, she was later murdered. Now, even though this was a mistrial, prosecutors will have another day in court. Darius Neal, a man police dubbed public enemy number one, was charged with murdering Charmaine Wilson, a mother of 8. But on Wednesday, after 2 days of deliberation, a judge declared a mistrial because the jury could not reach a verdict.
With everything, all our family wants is justice for Charmaine.
After the decision, Charmaine's family expressed disappointment.
You know, there's 8 children that no longer have their mother. They're spending their second holiday without justice. We just want justice for Charmaine.
Police accused Neal of shooting Wilson in June of 2017 on Gertrude Street in her West Baltimore neighborhood. Police say the mother had recently called them because her son was being bullied. She was later murdered.
We believe in Darius very much.
But Joshua Inslee, the suspect's attorney, said a star witness had credibility issues.
The witness who said my client was the perpetrator also gave a version of events that was directly contradicted by the victim's family. He was satisfied that he was not convicted, and he remains optimistic that he will get the right verdict.
This case will go on trial again. The state's attorney's office said today's outcome will not stop us in our vigorous pursuit of justice. The council member who represents the district stood with the victim's family after the judge announced a mistrial.
There's tension on both sides, there's anxiety on both sides, but it doesn't compare when when your loved one's been murdered.
And now, because this was a mistrial and not a guilty verdict, the state will have an opportunity to convene a new trial. That process starts on Monday. Live tonight, Avajoy Burnett for WJZ.